Howdy do, fellow Phoebes. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. There's currently a storm going on in Southern California, and as a native Californian, I am not used to inclement weather of any type. So I thought I would make myself some comfort food and bring you guys along with me. So I'm gonna make cinnamon rolls. They're from a can. I know that's not the proper way to make cinnamon rolls, but my mom's not here to make her special ones, so we're gonna make do with what we have. And while we wait for these to cook, I thought I could play Angeline the Baker and maybe show you guys how to play it or some of the ways that I play it. So let's get going. Alrighty, so we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and I am not gonna burn the house down. I do not want my family to come back to a burnt down house, or else they will never leave me home alone again. I know how to make ovens work. Perfect. Okay. The oven is heating. Grease cookie sheet. Do we have a cookie sheet? Do we have grease? We do. Ha-ha. Or it's non-stick cooking spray. I assume that's good enough. Place rolls 2 inches apart on cookie sheet, but how, pray tell, do I open said rolls? Open in 3 easy steps. Peel off this label, peel off the white label inside, press a spoon against the seam. Alright, press spoon at seam. If this explodes, at least I'll have it on camera. We've done it. Success. Alright. Oh, they're unraveling. I think Angeline is a better baker than I. Oh, it's... okay. Alrighty. Oh, they're all unraveling. Look at that. Place rolls 2 inches apart, but how do I separate them? What the heck? What? I'm getting a knife. There was probably something obvious that I should have done and did not do. Oh well. Did I roll that up backwards? What is happening? It's perforated. We got one. Getting them from the left side, which I didn't absolutely destroy. I can't tell how many there are because I completely unraveled one side. Well, you know, they might not be rolls, but I'm sure they'll still taste good. Please tell me, what is this? I'm confused. What happened? Huh? I'm just gonna roll this back up. No one will know. I'm the only one eating these, so I'll know, but actually, and I'm videoing this, so everyone will know, but that's okay. I'm sure they'll still taste good. Here we go. Good as new. Oh yeah, they smell very good. The sink full of dirty dishes is conveniently out of screen. Don't tell my mom that I haven't done the dishes for like 2 days. Well, she doesn't know, won't hurt her. Except she's gonna watch this video. It's fine. Place rolls 2 inches apart. This looks vaguely like 2 inches apart. Bake 18 to 20 minutes. Alright, the oven is almost heated. So that gives us 18 to 20 minutes to play the banjo. So let's stick them in the oven and then learn some Angeline the Baker. I hope they're good. Alrighty. I hope the sound quality's okay. I only have this microphone and I don't know if it does anything. Once I get a little bit of money from YouTube, hopefully I will get myself a better mic, but till then we will just have to enjoy the ambient sounds of the kitchen, I guess. Ooh. Alright, I'm in double C tuning, which is G, C, G, C, D, I believe, unless my tuner lied to me. I am very bad at music theory and remembering numbers. I'm just gonna play it to start us off. Okay, so that's basically how I play it. I think I learned this on fiddle, and then I kind of put it together on banjo by ear. I don't think I learned this from any one source, so I do not have tabs that I can send you all off to. I also cannot read tabs. I should probably learn to read tabs, but that's why I don't have tabs for any of my songs, because I do not know how to read tabs, and therefore I do not know how to make tabs. So I feel a bit underqualified to teach how to play this song. So I guess I'll just move the camera closer and play it slowly, and maybe that will help. I don't know if anyone's trying to learn this song even, but I'll just play it slowly, and I'll try to play it without any of the variations I played it with. Let's give it a go. Okay, some things I'm doing is I'm doing this chord when I can, so it's a... so instead of just going, I'm adding in this finger, so I get the whole chord, so that makes it sound better when you're really into it and strumming. Obviously only put it in where the chord goes in the song. For the high part, let's see. Doing that again. That's a pull off. So with that high part, you could play it with no strums for a kind of a more clear sound. Or you could add in strums. some variations I've thrown in are, I did a Galax lick, because I love Galax licks, which is just where you go, you do like a drawn out strum. Oh yeah, so when you go into the high part, you go. So you're getting that high note by going off your drone string instead of going up here. So that's cool. I always love putting in Galax licks anywhere because they sound cool. I had a little trill, I don't know what you call it, but it's a hammer on and then a pull off really fast. So you hit the string. So you hit the string, hammer on, pull off. And then you hit the next note in the same beat. So you're not leaving any time. You're not going like, you're going like, you want to fit that whole thing in the amount of time the normal note would take, if that makes sense. You can also slide. Let's see, and then I also like, if you just go up and kind of, once you've played it like a couple times, that's fun and it mixes it up so you're not just playing the same melody over and over. Ah. Here's one I recently just thought of. You can go way up the neck. Probably best to switch, like instead of going to your pinky, shift up and use that finger. So you don't have to like struggle to shift all the way up. Let's see how that sounds full speed. I don't know if I just thought of that now or what. Pretty cool. I kind of like that. Okay, we've got 5 minutes left on our cinnamon rolls. I'm just gonna play this as fast as I can, I guess, and see how that goes. I hope some of that instructional stuff was helpful. If there are things that would be more helpful to see, or if this helped you out at all, let me know in the comments. I've never really done any tutorials or anything, so I don't know if it was helpful at all. It was kind of fun to break down how I play it, because I hadn't even thought about how I played it till I started breaking it down. So yeah, let me know what you thought about that. Was it helpful? Were there things you'd want to do? I would put a second camera, like on the fretboard, but I do not have a second camera. I do not have a camera at all. This is just on my phone. Again, I am saving up for better equipment, but till I start making more money, that'll take a little while. So like this video to boost my channel so I can have better content for you guys. Yeah, so let's just play around with it till our cinnamon rolls are done. Also my claw hammer finger has cinnamon in it. It smells very good, but it makes it a little bit slicker. Everything smells like cinnamon. It's actually very nice. Oh. fun doing that. I hope you guys had fun. If you want more of these videos, I'm having a good time, actually. I'm trying to branch out and make different types of videos. So if you like this, or like have other suggestions for interesting videos that you would like to see from me, let me know. I don't think they're quite done. I don't know how to tell if they're done. And I already threw the instructions away because I'm very smart. I'm gonna stick them in for 2 more minutes. I'm gonna make some tea whilst I do that. I'm trying to think which tea would go well with cinnamon rolls. I think peppermint. I feel like you can't go wrong with peppermint. I got this cool teapot from the Jane Austen Museum in England. The cup nests into the teapot. It's pretty awesome. Tea time. Does that look golden brown? Ow, ow, ow. I think they're golden brown. I don't want to burn them. Because again, I ain't burning the house down today. Alrighty, the last step is just to snip the icing bag and drizzle it onto the cinnamon rolls. I'm actually so excited to eat these because these smell very good. Oh yeah. Angeline herself could never do as well. I'm gonna write a song called Phoebe the Baker. Phoebe the baker, she burnt down her house. Alrighty, now we get an elegant glass plate and an elegant metal fork. And there we have it. Cinnamon roll. Also, I'm turning the oven off because I ain't burning the house down today, alright? That oven is off. The house is not getting burnt. Not today, at least. And now, I'm going to sit and have my tea, and my juice, and my cinnamon roll, and read my Popeye comics. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I actually had a lot of fun making it. I wasn't sure if it would be fun or not, but I enjoyed it. Let me know if you liked this. And if you want more of this, or if you're like, Phoebe, please stop baking. Please just go back to the banjo. Let me know in the comments. Stay safe. I'm going to try to survive this storm. It's just rain. It's just rain. I'm just a Californian who's not used to rain. That's all for now. I will see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta. Also, this tastes so good. This is a success. And I didn't burn the house down, so I count this as a win.